Hey guys, and in this video we are going to see the features on the instrument cluster of the TVS Raider 125. So at first we do get a side stand warning light. Then we do have a RPM meter which goes all the way till 12,000 RPM. A gear position indicator. Let me show you how it works. And that's the first gear. And we do get a clock, a 5-point fuel gauge, eco and power mode indicators given there, and a neutral light, traditional green neutral light. The speedometer is at the right, and it has a button adjust and set button. Two buttons are provided. To pay, you get a range of how much the vehicle will go, and an average is actually impressive. The vehicle delivers around 56 km per liter, and the odometer is there. And take a look at the indicators. The indication for the indicator is well suited inside the LCD display. It looks great actually, and this is how the vehicle sounds. Doesn't produce any sound while turning on the wheel. That's the high beam